Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix start button not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your start button is not working on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the task manager. For that you need to press Ctrl Alt Delete. You can see the task manager, just click on the task manager. Guys, under processes you need to find Windows Explorer. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows Explorer, just right click on that and click on restart. After that close this task manager window and check whether your start button is working or not. If still it is not working, then open the command prompt, just click on the search button, then type here cmd. Right click on command prompt window and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type some of the commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. The first command is sfc space / scannow. Just select, copy from here, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and paste it. After that hit enter. Guys, here you have to wait for some time because it will take some time to complete this process. After completion of this, just close this window. Again you have to click on the search button, then type here PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell, just right click on that and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Guys, here you need to copy and paste the second command. You can see here this is the second command. Just select, right click and copy. Right click on the top of the PowerShell window, click on edit and paste it. After pasting the command and hit enter. Guys, here you need to wait for some time to complete this process. Guys, it will take some time. After completion of this, just close this window and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix start button not working on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.